guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. You know, it's your girl Samantha, and today in this video I will be doing unboxing and unpacking my Shein products and whatever them send me. So me and you I got open the package today, even though it's open, because I had to see what is inside of it. So we get certain, so we get everything. However, guys, I really do apologize for not posting much of my skincare on here, guys. I've been so busy. I've been working and all that, so I don't get the chance to do much videos, even though I try to do a little TikTok here and there. Sweet Lady Diva, you can go over there and follow me there. Probably will see me more. But for skincare videos, you know that I stopped basically tone down on my skin lightening and all that stuff. But I do recommend mixtures and all that. I do use stuff on my face and but anyway, we're not gonna really talk about the whole skincare process. If you want me to do a skincare video, I can. Just remember to subscribe, like the video, and share the video with your friends. So I have this package. I basically alright, so me and you are gonna spend like a time right here. So the first thing I'm going to unbox is this kids shoes, and everything that I post here I will put in my affiliate link. You can use my affiliate link to get discount of items. Like, look at these shoes. Like, this is a kid shoes. Look at this. Look at it. Isn't it nice? These are really good. Alright. So for the next one is beautiful white shoes. I don't know why the camera looking like. Let me turn it off my camera. For the next one is so hard to open. Is wow. Hold on, let them just wrap it up like that. Right. So this is our next one. It's really cute. Oh, it comes in a bag. Man, just open it out like, This is the next one, guys. It's so cute. It's so cute. So cute. Alright, so we move on to the others. Alright. What's this? Oh my gosh. I've been waiting on this fan like forever to come, because it's summer and all the place just hot. Guys, look at this. Look at this. Look at this. It comes with a charger as well, and it is a foldable fan. Like, I had a small fan and it just mashed up. And see it there? I got another one. This is so cute. This is so cute. Alright. And it comes with a type C. Okay. So I guess this is a shampoo so we can squeeze and comb the hair here. I guess you put it cute. You put in a shampoo or whatever or your treatment and you know you comb it through. And this one as well. I guess you know you do that something there make you yeah it's good. Very good. Okay, guys, we're on to the other package. Just remember, subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will be so grateful. Like and share this video because you don't want to miss out on these content. All right, so let us open the other one. All right. I literally don't really fully. All right, let me start on the watch. The watch. They have these digital watch where you can just put it on your hand like this. And what I didn't like is that one of them, hold this put on. One of them was not working. But I think this, yeah, this one is working. See? Look close up. Yeah, this one was working, but see, they got a lot pop off already. Hold on. Jesus. But anyway, this one is not working. Look, it's not working. So I would really advise, I wouldn't really recommend this at all. The other one is these shoes. These shoes. Like these shoes. These shoes are amazing. Just look at these shoes, like so nice. Alright. I don't know where my camera is trying at this one. Anyways, let's move on. Let's move on to alright, so this school bag. This is very nice. It has a zipper at the front. It has a little pocket part here. It's kind of special. You have one extra part here. Very good. And plus, it has another part here. Alright. So go on with itself. Alright, what it comes with? It comes with I think it was 3 days it comes, but no. Here it comes with a little lunch kit. Oh! And it comes with a little pencil case. Yeah. Alright. So that's it? No. So other from that, let's see. This night clothes. Very nice. So I have this night clothes. This is so cute. Very cute. And it's really nice. Nice. other from that, here's this little spray bottle. Oh, this open again. Oh, yeah. So you can just take samples of the spray and put it here. Alright, so the next one is this one here. Here. The shoes. Yeah, so cute. And okay, so this bag as well. I'm not really going to take it out, but I'm just showing you guys. And oh, another one. This is another white shoes. Just showing you, yeah, cute. And don't forget the drone. So this is a drone. I always this is a drone. It comes in this little package here. It's like this, and I guess you open it. You open them. Hold on. This is a drone, and yes, it can fly. And this is the control. Also, guys, this is the sewing machine. Well, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy and full joy this video. I appreciate you if you reach so far, and if you even if you didn't reach another middle, or you just starting, you just like the video and share it. But appreciate that. So yeah, you can use my links in my description so that you can get a discount. I would appreciate it. Bye, guys.